Now assume we want to move from a gray code to a binary code. How do we do that conversion? We say that an n-bit gray code can be converted to a binary number as follows. Assume you are given gn-1 all the way to g0. The equivalent binary numbers, which are going to be represented by bn-1 to b0, is going to be applying very simple formula that says br is going to be given by br plus 1 plus gr. And since we know gr, we know br plus 1 because we don't have r plus 1, the first one will be 0. So we'll do very simple mathematics like we have done before, and we'll do a simple example that will illustrate that one. We also said note here that the carry bit is also ignored whenever we are doing binary addition. The gray code has an application in the measurements of angular displacement of a rotating shaft or disk. So here we have an example that says that obtain a binary number if you are given the gray code as 110. So our gr, we can use r or n, and we can symbolize them as follows. So we just need to write this formula down that says that br is going to be given by br plus 1 plus gr, and we know that we can equate this one to be g0. I think I'll write them down here. G0 is 0, g1 is 0, g2 is 1, g3 is 0, g4 is 1, and g5 is 1. So just arrange them in that form. G5 is the maximum here, g0 is the minimum there. So we now want to do this conversion, and our r, the maximum number of bits are 6, or our r is 5, and therefore we say that b5 is going to be given by b6 plus g5. We know we don't have b6, so we can equate that to 0. This becomes g5 becomes 1. b4 is equals to b5 plus g4, and we know g4 is 1, and what we have obtained here is 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 0. We ignore the carry. b3 is b4 plus g3. We know g3 is 0 plus 0 above. We have 0. b2 is equals to b3 plus g2. In this case, we know g2 is 1, and we know that b3 is 0. This becomes 1. b1 is equals to b2, which is 1, plus g1, which is 0. So we have 1. And finally, b0 is equals to b1 plus g0, which is 1 again. Our binary code becomes 1001111. So our binary code becomes 1001111. Therefore, this one is equivalent. This one is in binary, is equivalent to what we had been given earlier as 110100. This is in gray. This is in gray code, and this is in binary code.